What if the next big stock boom comes from something as simple as healthier energy drinks? America is ditching sugar like crazy in 2025, and this one company, Celsius, is crushing it with massive growth. As a teen investor with $13K in the game, I'm all over this. Let's break it down. What is Celsius? Alright, starting with the basics. What even is Celsius? It's not like the old energy drinks full of sugar that give you a crash later. Celsius is positioned as a functional energy drink, zero sugar, natural caffeine from stuff like green tea, added vitamin, and they claim it helps boost your metabolism a bit. No junk, and the flavors actually taste pretty good. Celsius recently acquired Alani Nu Energy. They also own Rockstar Energy in North America. It's a whole portfolio of functional drinks, and the big game changer is their partnership with PepsiCo for distribution. That means Celsius is in way more places, convenience stores, gyms, Costco, everywhere basically. It helped them scale up huge. Also, Pepsi owns a 12% stake in Celsius, and Pepsi is the biggest drink and food company in the world currently. America's health shift. Now, why does this matter right now? Because people in America are shifting towards healthier habits more than ever, especially heading into 2026. Think about it. After the holidays, everyone's making resolutions to hit the gym, eat better, cut out processed sugar. It's not just talk. Stats show fitness participation is up, and demand for low or no sugar options is booming. The whole United States energy drink market is already around $25 billion, and reports say it's projected to grow to about $38 billion by 2030. That's a solid 7% or so per year. But the clean functional segment, like zero sugar with added benefits, is growing even faster. Younger generations like Gen Z and millennials want drinks that fit an active lifestyle. Celsius is right in that sweet spot. They market it for fitness, and you see it all over gyms and social media. I think this trend is sticking around. It's not a quick fad. More people are focusing on gut health, natural ingredients, and just feeling better overall. Compared to competitors like Red Bull or Monster, which still have sugar versions dominating, Celsius stands out as the healthier choice. That's why their market share jumped over 20% this year. Okay, let's get into the part everyone wants, the actual numbers. Their Q3 2025 earnings were wild. Revenue hit $725 million, which is up 173% from the same quarter last year. A big chunk came from the acquisitions like Alani Nu, adding hundreds of millions. But even the core Celsius brand grew double digits. Their portfolio now has over 20.8% share of the US energy drink market. That's huge. When you think Red Bull and Monster, they have been dominating forever and still have so much sugar. The stock itself, as of December 12th, closed. It's around 43.83. It's down from earlier highs this year. There were some simple dips after earnings because of the integration cost, but it's still up solid overall in 2025. Analysts from places like MarketBeast and others have an average price targeting around $62 to $63, which would be about 40 to 45% upside from here. But to be real, there are risks. Acquisitions mean short-term costs like transitioning distribution from Alani Nu to Pepsi starting December 1st, which already happened, which can make Q4 a bit messy. Gross margins improved to over 51%, but some one-time expenses hit profitability. The stock's volatile too. It's dropped on news before, competition is tough, Monster and Red Bull aren't going anywhere soon. So yeah, exciting growth, but not without bumps. So my take on Celsius so far is that it's going to be a drink giant, and I think they're going to keep buying smaller energy drinks, and eventually one day they might buy Red Bull, Monster, who knows. But I really do think in the next 5 to 10 years they're going to be the biggest energy drink in the world, and definitely the biggest in the United States. I mean, everywhere I go in my generation I see Celsius. I mean, this last year Celsius wasn't doing as good as before, but that's just because a little bit of hype died down, and then they bought Alani Nu and they started pushing it, and it's gained a lot of hype. I'm going to keep buying Celsius until it hits around the $50 to $55 mark. It almost hit 50, I was thinking the other day. It hit 45, and then it started to drop, and it's been going between 44 or 42. So yeah, I'm going to keep putting about $100 a week into Celsius, and yeah, I really like Celsius. Their drinks taste really good. If you haven't tried one, you should check it out. Like I said earlier, I think it's going to be a drink giant. So depending how many more energy drinks they buy, how much more their percentage in the entire United States energy drink market, rises, I'm thinking that next 5 to 10 years, it's probably going to be $100 to $200 stock. So that's everything I wanted to say and share about Celsius right now, why the health shift matters, the growth story, the numbers, the risks, all of it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think it's going to perform differently, if you've ever tried Celsius and you like it. I read them all. I've had like 2 comments so far, so there's no way I can't read them all. And I hope this video does good. I kind of suck at editing, and I'm working on it. And it's just like the videos aren't that good right now. I'm trying to make them better, but yeah, so it'd be cool if you guys could like and subscribe, and you should definitely buy Celsius stock.